Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben. Good morning and welcome to the Microsoldering show. Today we do an iPhone 7 data rescue job for you. It comes from another repair shop and they told they already tried to get out the NAND. They read and write the underlying partition and they get error 4014. I have a short check on the board now, and after that, if I don't see anything at the first point, I just swap the board because I want to prevent longer searching time. The thing is, when other repair shops already tried to do something, it's in most of the cases better for the time when you just swap the board and don't take a longer search time. I already prepared a swap board, took about 12 minutes, so no problem at all to prepare a swap board. I show it to you how it looks like. You can decide if it's good or not. Here you can see the swap board. So we got no solder bolts on the top anywhere at all. It's great, no solder bolts on the coils around, no solder bolts here, and just was a fast job. Normally I always have them ready prepared here, but last times I really did a lot of swaps, and when you do a lot of swaps you need a lot of boards, because in some cases the customer wants to have a complete swap with full function, not only data rescue. Then you have to mail out the boards with complete function. And yeah, so I just prepared one and we can use it for that swap. If it will be a swap, we will see. So let's see what they have done here. So I think they weren't ready with the repair because the sticker on the top isn't renewed. I think they just didn't renew it because they weren't finished with the repair, or they couldn't fix it like that. Things like that happen, it's no problem. So we are here for trying to get this job done in a fast way. So let's see, it's A10. It's not my big love is A11 and A12, but A10 is okay too. I love the CPU too, the A10. It's okay. So let's see and let's check what we got here. I just take out the board because I want to see what they did in the NAND area, because they said they already tried to take out the NAND and resoldered it and did read write on the JC for the underlying partition. So okay, there is no NAND. So what should I do without a NAND? So what, you kidding? Why do you want to kid me, or what up? Let's just check it. One second, I just write a message. I just write a message. Because I don't know where the NAND is. So I got a board and I got no NAND. Let's see what they did here, if it looks clean or not. You see the diode here? Diode cracked. You see some solder bolts on the caps on the sides. What do we see here? Okay, they're sitting, it's okay. Here we got some underfill. Here we got some underfill. Here the cap is not sitting right. So the problem is, when you work on these on these repairs, you really, you see that? Loose parts, loose small components here in this area. Here cracked diet. Here too much overfill on the sides. Missing solder here, solder ball here. Loose component here. Didn't use the solder wick right to clean up the pads. So I think when you work on these devices, and it's not a bad opinion or a bad intention that I have here. Now I take up the glue sticker on the bottom and you see that. So when you work on these devices and when you do things like an and, yeah, take out the glue stickers. Let's see that here. Why are you doing things like that? That's not okay. That's not the right way to do the job in your shop, because you work on devices which are not your own, and when devices are not your own, you have to work really carefully. You have to work really carefully and yeah, that's not good. I don't like works like that, and I will use that video. I can't finish the video because I need the NAND, and the NAND isn't included in the box. They want the data rescue, but they don't send the NAND with. What should I do? Like a Zauberer, like a magician?
Wireless data rescue.
Yeah, wireless data rescue or what? No, that's not the right way. And when you work on devices like that, here you see that shit. It really looks bad, and I only want to say, if you work on devices, don't let them look like that, okay? We can do a lot of things, it's no problem. But when devices come in like this, I just don't understand why people do that, okay? So I will finish this repair tomorrow if they have the NAND, if they can send me the NAND, yeah. And after that, after I got the NAND, I will do a new video. So I hope we see us with the next video today, perhaps a repair, because this here is really ugly. So stop it or do it in the right way. Goodbye. If you want to learn things like that in the right way, you can come to the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working in the repair industry, you can easily join our Facebook repair, our smartphone repair group Germany on Facebook. I'm out. We see us with the next video. Your spam.